feathers, flipper, and feet. All around the world, animals are moving, flying in the air, crawling on the land, or swimming in the ocean. Animals move to catch food. Animals move to explore their environment. Animals move to escape danger. Come take a closer look at the different and unusual ways animals get around. Wings are for flying high in the air. Wings are for freeing, pedaling, and flipping. Wings are for swooping, soaring, and gliding. Wings are for darting, fleeting, and fluttering. Wings are for catching the breeze. Whose feathers are these? Try to guess. He struts proudly around and has a long, colorful train that he can raise like a fan. She silently swoops down on her prey at night. His graceful feathers are soft and white. His colorful feathers are very bright. Flying high. To fly, birds not only flap their wings, but also open and close their gaps between their feathers. Were you right? Let's find out. A peacock shows off his colorful feathers to attract a mate. The soft feathers of a barn owl are shaped to muffle the sound of the wing's beat. A swan is born with gray feathers, which quickly turn into snowy white. Parrot feathers contains enamel that reflect the light to give off amazing colors. Not all wings are made of feathers. Amazing, a bumblebee's small wings, fine wings can lift its heavy body. How do bees fly? Bees do not flap their wings, but flip them forward and backward to create a lifting effect. When a leaf butterfly closes its wings, it looks like a leaf, a perfect disguise. A ladybug has another pair of wings underneath its red spotted pair. Flippers are for swimming through in the water. Flippers are for leaping, swirling, and splashing. Flippers are for dodging, dashing, and chasing. Flippers are for paddling, flipping, and rolling. Flippers are for darting away. Whose flippers are these? An ocean giant is on a long trip. He spent winter in the Caribbean and summer in the Arctic. Her long front flippers proudly her weight spread. He waddles on land but swims with ease. Look carefully at this one. It's tricky. Flippers and fins. Flippers are the arm bones of ocean mammals. Fins are not supposed by bones. Were you right? Let's find out. A humpback whale has the longest flipper of any animal. The sea lion has two pair of flippers that help her move quickly on land and in the water. A penguin is a flightless bird whose wings are used as flippers. A diver wears flippers to swim down into the water to explore a wreck or an underground cave. Ocean mammals can also use their flippers to do other things. A manatee uses its flippers to hold on its food. A dolphin uses its flippers to make friendly contact with its young. A seal uses flippers to push itself forward on land. Burying eggs. Each year, sea turtles visit the same beach to lay their eggs. They use their flippers to bury them in the sand. Feet are for moving around the land. Feet are for running, jumping, and leaping. Feet are for walking, rattling, and sliding. Feet are for climbing, cleaning, and grasping. Feet are for scraping away. Whose feet are these? He is the heaviest animal on land. He used its great big feet to loosen the plants he eats because he had no hands. He's a small tropical lizard who can walk across the ceiling. You'll find her in the water quacking, splashing, and swimming. He gets bigger and bigger as he just kept on eating. Were you right? Let's find out. An elephant spread its huge weight across his 4 feet. A gecko's feet are covered with tiny hairs, which help them to slide along any surface without slipping. When swimming, a duckling uses her webbed feet like paddles. A caterpillar has sucker-like feet with small claws on the end for grabbing the leaves it's eating. What else can animals do with their feet? A tree frog has suckers on its feet that's stuck to any surface. A water-board man can float on water by spreading out its feet. Birds of prey can catch food with their clawed feet, which are called talons. Dogs use their paws to scratch on each. Whose hold the recalls? A Rapogryphon vulture was flying at 7,000 feet when it hit on the airplane. The sperm whales make the deepest dive of any animals. The slowest mammal and the three-toed sloth, who spend most of the day hanging from branches asleep. When chasing its prey, a cheetah can reach speed of 65 miles per hour.